Alright, today I'm going to show you how to put Google Analytics on your blogger.com site. Assuming that you logged in, you come to this screen here after you log in, usually with your Google email account. And then what we do is go ahead and just, this is 1, 2, and 3. This is basically what it is. Then I would come over here and say to my account. And this is all your passwords and your security and different things like that. This is where you would change different things, edit your email and the such. I'm going to go back here now and then go into getting going here. So once you sign in and get it going, you sign up. Now the create a new account window is going to come up. Now this is the account that you want to track. So what I've done is I've already got my URL that I want to track, and this was going to be Daily Deals Canmore Alberta is the name of the blogspot.com. Okay. So I put a name in. That's the display name that will display in your account field. So make this descriptive so you understand what it is. Don't just put in anything. Now the next thing is the URL that you're going to track, and depending on what it is, you select here, obviously, and then you go in, and I'm going to go, let's say, what did I say? Daily Deals Canmore, Alberta. Now I switched over to my Blogger account. And what I did is I go in, and what I'll do is I'll go up here, and you can't see it, but I am getting the URL, okay? And now I got the URL. I Control-C the URL, and then I Control-V, and there's the URL. Erase this, so I don't type it wrong. I go back in and get my URL. So that's the URL of the site. Then I go ahead and do the different time zones that it's in. I just do Eastern. I leave these the same. United States, yep. Yes, I agree. Of course you do. So I'm going to create the account now. Okay, so what I've done, let me recap here, is give it a name, put in the URL of the blog that I'm going to track or the website I'm going to track, give it a time, and then said OK to their analytic terms. And I said create account. And what this does now is this will give me a Daily Deals Canmore Alberta blogspot. That's the title of it. There is the tracking code, snippet. What I want to do is scroll down to the bottom here now, and this is number 2 here is paste this code into your site. This is the code right here, and you highlight with your left mouse that you need to put inside the script on your Blogger head, okay, or in any website. This goes in before the closing head tag. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So what I did is copied and pasted it. It's in there. What I'm going to do is I Control-C it. So I have now, it's in my Control-C. So then I go. Alright, so what I did, I'm sorry. I Control-C this. So I now have the code in my copy center. So then I go back over here to Blogger, okay, and then choose which blog you're going to do. This is the one I'm going to do right here is Daily Deals Canmore. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here. As you can see, they've got this arrow down here. So what you do is you come over here, because I got my screen so squished here, kind of doing different things here. Go over here and go to Template. Okay, and then what this does is opens up the template area. Now what we're going to be working is right here in this first box here. We're going to edit the HTML, and that's what we're going to do is edit the HTML. Okay, so what you do is you click on Edit HTML. Obviously this comes up saying that, oh my gosh, the world's going to end if you do this. It basically, don't worry about it. Say proceed, and what this is this is the code that makes that page live. Okay, this is the HTML. So what we need to do is you can put this code anywhere you want before the closing head tag. Now here's the initial beginning head tag. Okay, so you can put it anywhere in here. You can drop it in here, whichever. I usually go down here and find the closing head tag It's way down here. And make sure I can find it here. Make sure I don't blow by it. And what we're looking for is the closing head tag. This is all the code that makes this blog possible. Here's the closing head tag right here. So we need to put this script right before that. So what you do is you click in this code, and again, if you delete anything, your blog is not going to work correctly. So what I do is I put my cursor there and hit enter. Okay, and now I'm going to Control V, and what that did is, if you noticed, it's going to put in or paste that script in there into the blog. So now what I do is I save the template, click on Save Template, and then Close, and you're done. You got your HTML on your page now, on your blog page. That's how to do it in Blogger. And again, you can go back here and click on Save, and then in a day or so, usually takes 24 to 48 hours. You can go back up here and see, okay, here's where you're at, and you click on it, and it'll tell you the views and this and that, the different reports and stuff you have here. Again, you can play with this, but that's how to put your script on a Blogger account. All right, hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the other side.